Are you looking to set up Process.st for your remote team and take your workflow to the next level? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps you need to efficiently set up Process.st, whether you're managing a small team or a growing remote workforce. And stay tuned until the end, because I'll also share how you can get exclusive access to a free trial with added bonuses. To start, Process.st is an easy-to-use workflow management software designed to help teams streamline their processes and keep everything on track. For remote teams, especially, it can be a game changer by ensuring tasks are tracked, documented, and automated. Setting it up is quick, and you can start seeing the results almost immediately. Let's dive right into the setup. The first thing you'll want to do is sign up for Process.st if you haven't already. With our exclusive link below, you'll get access to a free trial with added bonuses, so you can test it out without any risk. Once you're in, the dashboard will be your central hub. It's user-friendly, so even if you're new to process management software, you'll quickly get the hang of it. To begin creating workflows, you'll need to set up your first template. A template is the foundation of your process. You can either start from scratch or browse the pre-built templates that Process.st offers. These templates cover a range of industries and use cases, but the real value is in customizing them to suit your remote team's specific needs. Whether it's onboarding new hires, managing client projects, or handling support tickets, templates keep everything in one place. Next, you'll add steps to your workflow. Each step can be a task, checklist, or approval process. This is where you can really tailor the process to your remote team's needs. You might want to add detailed instructions for each task, attach documents, or link to external resources so everyone has everything they need in one spot. For remote teams, communication is key. That's why Process.st integrates with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and more, allowing you to keep your team in the loop without ever leaving the platform. When setting up your workflows, be sure to add notifications for important updates or when tasks are completed. This ensures that nothing slips through the cracks, especially when your team is working across different time zones. Now, let's talk about automation. One of the best features of Process.st for remote teams is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. You can set up automatic actions like sending an email when a task is completed or moving tasks to the next step based on triggers. Automation can save a ton of time and eliminate human error, so your remote team can focus on more important work. Once your workflows are set up, it's time to assign tasks to team members. You can set up each task to be assigned to the appropriate person, and with the due date feature, you'll ensure tasks are completed on time. The task management system is intuitive, and you can see at a glance who's working on what, which is especially helpful when you're managing a remote team. Finally, you can track progress with Process.st's reporting features. As a remote team leader, it's important to have visibility into what's happening, and Process.st makes that easy. You can create custom reports to see how workflows are progressing, where bottlenecks are, and which team members might need additional support. Remember, Process.st isn't just a task manager, it's a comprehensive workflow automation tool. As a remote team, you'll quickly see how it helps you stay organized and productive, even when working from different locations. Don't forget, the link below gives you an exclusive extended free trial with bonuses, so you can try out all of these features risk-free. By setting up Process.st for your remote team, you'll be setting yourself up for success with streamlined workflows, better communication, and improved efficiency. Give Process.st a try today and watch your remote team's productivity soar.